So we woke up this morning at 5 and decided to get our drive started early while it was cooler this morning. So this is the first time we've had to pull over on our drives. Car just, I don't know, wouldn't let us like coast. It's like being really tight. Not really sure what's going on. Temps were up pretty high and it's not that hot out. So, what do you think it is?
Hopefully nothing important.
Yeah.
I mean, today's not a huge deal, but tomorrow will be a bigger deal.
So we're adding water to the radiator. It was a little low, not like a lot, but
Might have been more low than we thought.
oh, it might have been more low than we thought.
Keep taking more down.
Oh, really? Oh, well then that could have been our issue. I told you to add water last night and you said no.
Maybe a little low.
Oh, yep, radiator was low. So we're gonna add water. Hopefully get back on the road soon.
So we're in Bishop's Castle, our first checkpoint. It's pretty wild in here, but Marissa wants to climb up to the actual tower piece. You're gonna have a stroke from the altitude. It's pretty neat up here, but you won't catch me climbing up in that. It's pretty cool though. Just a little sketch, you know. Like this. Yeah, I don't do heights very well. I do heights. I don't do you can fall at this height type deal. I have no problems with heights. But I ain't getting up there. Marissa just went up there. I'll let you know if I need rescued. So we're in Bishop's Castle, our first checkpoint. It's pretty wild in here, but Marissa wants to climb up to the actual tower piece. You're gonna have a stroke from the altitude. It's pretty neat up here, but you won't catch me climbing up in that. It's pretty cool though. Just a little sketch, you know. Like this. Yeah, I don't do heights very well. I do heights. I don't do you can fall at this height type deal. I have no problems with heights. But I ain't getting up there. Marissa just went up there. I'll let you know if I need rescued. Alright, it's our wrap up of the last day. Well, I guess not
Well, the last like race day,
Yeah.
your
The lock-in,
average passes.
Yeah, you only get 4 days on Rocky Mountain Race Week to lock in your average. So other races you get 5 days.
Really?
Yeah, so you get Monday. I guess you would get Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because you race every day.
Oh yeah.
And then here you get
the shootout at the end.
But then it's a heads up shootout. So the last video you guys saw was on the side of the road because the car was getting hot, but apparently everyone's car was getting hot.
Really?
Yeah, I went and talked to Travis and he was like, yeah, our stuff was just getting hot and I couldn't figure out why.
Because you're climbing 4,000 feet.
Yeah, it didn't seem like we were going up, but we were up and up and up because that Bishop's Castle that we went up to, it was like 8,800 feet or something like that. It was up there.
Jeez.
So, yeah, that was the last video you guys saw of us putting water in the car.
So we made it to the track because it was a short drive. It was like only 106 miles today. So we made it to the track, hurried up and got the car turned over because we didn't want to be doing that in the heat of the day.
Yeah, it was still nice outside.
Because yesterday we got to the track late.
It was hot.
And it was hot, and I don't do heat. So I did not help at all with the car.
Slacker.
But today I did. So got the car ready. We skipped the first two rounds because it was so hot.
Yep.
And everybody else that was going wasn't making their best passes. So we waited it out, and then Matt wanted to wait again, but I was like, let's just get a time slip and see what it does. And it ended up going a 5:10, which you'll see that pass.
Yeah. And then 5:10 at 145. Kicked the traction control at like probably 60 foot out, and I pedaled it, so it definitely could have gone faster. But second place, Travis turned in at 5:40, so there's no sense in beating on the car when
you have a 400-mile drive day the next day.
Yeah, brutal drive. This isn't rolling hills where you can just coast. This is like you're in throttle for hours.
Mm-hmm.
So it's the least favorite of my day. Of the,
events.
Yeah, I guess. Least favorite day of the whole event is what I was trying to say.
Yeah, so not much happened today. Just made one pass, turned the car over. I did make it into the shootout or whatever I guess it's called for the reaction carts, and I made it to the finals.
Yep.
So I was runner-up today, so I missed out on the $100 today, but I get to compete on Friday for the $1,500 prize. So
you better be on your game.
I mean, I've gotten a 000 twice. Once was not for a qualifying pass, and then what got me into it today was my 000 pass. But or whatever. Neat. It's fun.
Yeah, it gives the co-pilot something to do too, because most of the time the co-pilot's just working on stuff without any reward.
Yeah.
So you guys get to do that, which is cool.
Like, I didn't want to do it at first, but Jen, that runs it, she's so personable, and she's like, no, you gotta try it. And so then she was always looking for me to try to do my practice runs, so it was fun. Cool. Yeah, so hopefully they'll be able to make it to the open house.
Yep.
That'll be fun.
Yep. Yeah, I think we're gonna have them in our open house for a new shop. So it'd be kind of like a $10, $20 buy-in, have a few different rounds, and should be fun.
Yeah.
So
totally worth it.
Yep. So we're gonna go to bed.
Yeah, we're gonna go to bed now because we are going to get up super early because it's supposed to be another hot day, and we want to do most of the driving while it's cool outside. So
yep. The less heat you put into parts, the less prone they are to breaking.
So we'll keep you updated.
Wish us luck.